Hello Talga, how are you doing? It's Mark from Israel. So I'm filming the machine for you. As you see, this is a 5000 series machine, okay, connected to the sheet master. Okay, it's a 3 meter by 1.5. The machine itself connected also to the stopper storage. The stopper storage of course remains. So as in my quotation, you have a sheet master, okay, you have a punching machine. You see there is also a label master, but label master is also remains, okay. So the machine is full working, no any problems on the machine. Last maintenance was done 2.5 months ago. So I try to call you right now in order to show you online the machine, but I'm still at the customer, and if you have more questions or you want to see more, please let me know.